Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by targeting the running pieces. Open services, find Search and Windows Search and restart them now. This clears stuck threads. Once done, open indexing options in Settings and pause, then resume indexing so files requeue. If updates are pending, install them and reboot. Many search problems vanish after an update. Make sure to run these steps before deeper repairs so you don't waste time on rebuilds that a restart would fix. Now you tackle the middle work, rebuild and repair. In indexing options, choose Advanced and rebuild the index. This recatalogs files and often restores missing results. While that runs, open an admin command prompt and run sfc/scano to repair system files, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix component store issues. Once those finish, restart Windows Explorer or sign out and sign back in so restored services and file associations fully reload. This synchronizes everything for accurate searching. Finish by resetting the search components and verifying permissions. You can run a PowerShell command to re-register the search app or reinstall Cortana-related packages. This clears corrupted app registrations. Next, make sure your index locations and folder permissions allow access. Denied folders won't appear. If problems persist, create a new local user to see if the issue is profile-specific. That quickly isolates corrupted users.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.